Hey everybody, it's me Sissy. Today I've got a Dollar Tree haul for you with a lot of Halloween stuff and some fall stuff and some wish list items. And this is my sweet Dottie girl, and she says hello to everybody out there. Say hey. This is my special angel girl, her so sweet. But anyway, let's get to the haul. Alright, let's start with my favorite thing I found this week. It is so cute. It is these window clings that have puppies and that one kitty there and another kitty there, but isn't that adorable? That is so cute. And then they had a different one with more puppies. That is adorable. I just love that because y'all know I love my puppies. I'm going to find some way to use these, so y'all be looking for that. And it's, let's see, this one, how many pieces does it have? This one has 6 pieces, and this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 animals, and then some candy to go along with it. And then I got some pumpkin and spiderweb ribbon. It's the 9-foot roll, wired. I got 2 rolls of that. Hopefully I'm going to work that into a wreath. Then I got this really cute, these are 2 really cute signs. I hadn't seen these before. They're smaller, but this one says, "Beware the Wicked Witch and her little monsters." So that's cute. I love that. And then this one, "Eat, Drink, and Be Scary." So I've got an idea for a wreath. I hope it works because that's going to be so cute on it. And then I got a skull. Ooh, boo. They had the best Halloween decorations. And I got a glow-in-the-dark hand. Ooh, that's scary too. They had these. They had some bigger hands, and they had some salad tongs that looked like skeleton hands. So they have lots of Halloween stuff. And I got one of the cool little bottles. I hauled one of these before, the black one, but this time I got the orange one. That's really cute. And then I got some orange and black chenille stems to use on a wreath. So I think I've got enough stuff here to make a wreath. Hopefully that'll be coming up real soon. The rest of this is kind of a mixture of some craft stuff, some food stuff, some cleaning stuff. So we're just going to go through it. I got the Heinz 57 sauce. I got that for my son. Can I eat this? Not really. It has 4 grams of carbs and 1 tablespoon, so I'd probably stay away from this. But he likes it. He's the only one that really eats it. So that small bottle. I know you can get a bigger bottle at Walmart, but that small bottle would be good for him. And then I got him the Pillsbury vanilla. He likes the cream cheese flavor better, but I never can find it in there. I see the box where it was, but it must go pretty fast. Oh, and I found this new cleaner. This is Stronger Than Dirt Ajax multi-purpose cleaner with lime and baking soda. And I smelled it in the store and it smells really good. So I'm going to try to use that a little bit. Try to switch up from my Fabuloso for a little bit. And let's see. Then I got some of the athletic low-cut socks. I love these socks. 3 pairs for $1. Because I know it's still hot here, but fall is coming and my feet will freeze and I will have to have some socks. And then I got the Homestyle Select French Onion Dip. There's 8.5 ounces. I got that for my son because he likes dip. And I got some of the Dawn non-concentrated Simply Clean because I just didn't feel like going to Walmart. Usually I go to Walmart and get the big container. It lasts me forever. But this will last me a little while. So I picked that up, and I think, how many ounces? 12.6 ounces in that. And this is, I know this is boring stuff, but some of it's good. It must be in the bottom. But I got the 22 tall bags, kitchen, it says kitchen, but I use these in my bathrooms. They had a little fragrance to them, so that works out good. And they really are not strong enough to put a lot of garbage in, so a bathroom trash can, usually that's about all it can hold. And then I got the Brillo Basics scrub brush to scrub up those little messes. And I got some more of the pretty washcloths, the relaxed ones. Usually I pick up the white ones so I can bleach them, but I think I'm going to try doing the dark ones and bleach them a couple of times, and you know, after, because I use them to wipe my makeup off and waterproof mascara and stuff, so they do get stained up. But I'm going to try these and bleach them and see how well they last. And I got my son the Arizona combo tray nachos and cheese dip. He likes this. You can just add some meat and some lettuce and tomato and he has a whole meal, so it's real easy for him. And I got him some gummy bears. I used to love these gummy bears. I could eat the whole bag and not even blink. 3.6 ounces. Unfortunately, they have, this is 3 servings, so there's almost 75 carbs in that bag. It's terrible. It's just sugar. And y'all, I buy more than sweets. This is not my groceries. But I got this for my mom because y'all know she loves her Crunch and Munch and her snacks. But this is the Fiddle Faddle Butter Toffee 6-ounce box. She loves that one. That's her favorite. Oops, just dropped it on the floor. It's alright. I picked up the big roll of paper towels. This is a good deal. These are the ones you can tear off and, you know, do the sections so you don't have to use a whole paper towel if you just have a little mess. And here's a craft thing I got. I'm going to try this. These are the plastic rubbing plates like leaves. I got something I'm going to try with this, and if it works I'll show you. Or maybe if it doesn't work I'll show you too anyway, so you can see what I was thinking about. Got my Sure Fresh slider bags, 13 for $1. That's a great price. And got some bamboo skewers. I use these in the kitchen and in the craft room, and this is a great deal. There's 100 pieces in here, so a penny a piece. You can't beat it. And I got some little stickers, letter stickers. Those are really cute. And I got my toothpaste. I got I'm going to try the Colgate Deep Clean with micro foaming action and see if I like that one. Usually I use the one in the bottle looking thing. And I did find one of the wooden charger plates at my Dollar Tree, so I've got a little sign that I'm going to make on here with the Cricut, and I will try to share that with y'all. If I can get my screen capture to work, I think I just about got it worked out. Oh, and here's another one of my favorite things. I have been looking for these. I've seen several people haul them. It's the flour sack towels from the home collection. I got the pumpkin pie one and the Hello Fall. They had 2 others, one that said something about pie. I can't remember. It had a piece of pie on it, and then one that had a turkey on it that says eat ham, but I didn't get those 2. And then I got some autumn mix, the candy corn with the pumpkins, and these are actually for a DIY. I don't even know if my son eats these. I don't like these. Well, I never did like these. I definitely won't like them now because there's 28 carbohydrates. Wow. Anyway, but they're very decorative. They'll be pretty in a bowl, and lots of people do like them. So, and oh, I'm just about to the bottom. I got the extra large eyeglass cleaning cloth. This is great. Y'all, I'm getting older and I'm finding I'm having to wear my glasses more and more. I used to just wear them to drive, but now I have to wear them to watch TV. And anyway, I got a new silicone sink strainer cooking concepts. I had hauled one before, was the one with the little donut print on it and everything, and it works very nice, but it looks so grungy, and I've scrubbed it, and all I'm doing is scrubbing the design off, but it still looks grimy, so I'm throwing that away and using this one, so maybe that'll be easier to clean. And then I got my burping mama. You know how she likes to burp, so I got her the Diet Cola. She's laying down. She don't really feel good today, so that's my haul. Let me get this stuff put up, and hopefully I'll be back with a DIY. So y'all have a great day. Get out there, go shopping at Dollar Tree, check out all the stuff. I've seen a lot of people saying their Dollar Trees have Christmas stuff already. Mine does not. They have a lot of fall and Halloween, but not one sign of Christmas yet. So y'all get out there and start looking, and have a great day. Bye, y'all.